All right, I'm here on Richfield Garden Apartments to show you a one-bedroom unit. This is Richfield Road. The apartment complex is between Chestnut and Sansom Street. The unit I'm about to show you is here, unit number 172. This is the courtyard. And I left the door open for the video here. So as you open the door, you see this brand new floor. The unit gets a lot of natural light. It's a brand new floor, high ceiling. You have a drop ceiling and a window for a natural light. Here you have your kitchen, and also in the living room you have this nice closet space. It's deep, very deep. This is a view of your living room from this angle. Over there you have your bedroom and bath. Here you have your kitchen. So walk into the kitchen, you have similar floor here, high ceiling. You have your refrigerator, a gas oven, and cabinet space on both sides. You have a door to go to the outside if you want to. You have a back door. You have a radiator heat in a place, and a window unit for the AC. So this is a living room. You have in the living room you have your shelves for storage. Walk into the bedroom. On your left you have your nice bathroom, the toilet here, your faucet, medicine cabinet. You have a nice bathtub and a shower combo and a window for a fresh air. There to your right, you have your bedroom. Nice size bedroom. As you could see, you have your windows for a natural light. You have another closet space in your bedroom. This is what unit 172 looks like. You have your bath here and the door to the living room. And over there is your front door to the outside. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.